I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally deleted a post on Pinterest and want to get it back, follow these steps to recover it. Step 1. Open the Pinterest app. Launch the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where the post was deleted. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can view your boards and pins. Step 3. Access the saved pins. Scroll through your boards to find the saved pins section. Here, you can see all the pins you have saved, including any that might have been recently deleted. Step 4. Check the archive. If you can't find your deleted post, check the archive section. Tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner of your profile and select Archive Pins. Step 5. Restore the deleted post. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Sometimes posts may not appear in the archive if they were permanently deleted, so be sure to check right after deletion. I hope this helped you recover your lost posts. If you have any other questions about using Pinterest, feel free to ask.